This is a sectional view of the probe. The water coolant mixture enters the probe, and the warmer mixture in red exits the probe. Here you can see the process gas entering the probe through the small gap between the plunger and the protection tube. Since we have no cold parts along the gas path, the temperature of the process gas will always be above the dew point. From the tip of the probe, through our heated measuring chamber, through the heated extraction lines to the downstream analyzers. The process gas is always above the dew point, so condensation and blockages won't take place. You can see the plunger moving to ensure a clean gas entrance every couple of minutes, and then once every hour the high pressure purging will take place. During purging, we will measure oxygen 3 minutes long. Process measurements will be frozen, and 3 minutes later, live measurements will take place. This is one of the reasons why the CEMTEC system offers a 95% availability of the process values. So the benefits here are clear. Firstly, we have dust-free sample gas, as only a small amount of dust enters the probe through the small gap. Plus we have a large filter with a small pore size. Secondly, we have a very small dead volume of just 1 liter. This means that the sample gas will quickly reach the downstream analyzers. Thirdly, because of the previous reasons, a short purge once an hour is sufficient. Why is this so important? With a large gas entrance and larger dead volume, more dust enters the probe, which necessitates more frequent purging. This leads to less availability, because during the purge process only O2 is measured, not process gas. Additionally, purging more often will cool down the inside of the probe, resulting in condensation issues and blockages.